All right guys, I got another quick video before we go. A super small quick video. So what we're gonna do, we want to protect the top of the light of the Infiniti Q50. So we're gonna put some carbon fiber eyelids on the car right now. So it's very simple. It should be just pretty much short. So I'm just gonna have some rubbing alcohol, lint free. We're just gonna wipe it a little bit. Since it's a little cold today, we're going to also use a little bit of a heat gun to make sure it sticks really well. All right, so there you go. This is ready. Give it a second to dry. All right guys, this is it. All right, we're going to put it on. There you go guys, very simple, right? All we have to do is just do the other side now. Guys, it looks so beautiful, right? Looks so beautiful, right? Tell me that doesn't look good. Tell me that doesn't look good, guys. I'm gonna get you some more better shot when it's sunny out, but this is all good. All right guys, those beautiful eyelids are done. Super simple. I'll put the link in the description down below. Tell me what you think. Anyway, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Till the next time, peace.